Clip Studio Paint.
Hey everyone, my name is Toni Caballero and I'm a manga artist and illustrator. Maybe you've read my manga back home or my latest work Midnight Serenade, or maybe you've seen some of my drawings on social media. In this course, I'm going to show you exactly how I work in Clip Studio Paint step by step. We'll start with a full anime style illustration from scratch, and then we'll move on to complete manga pages going through sketching, inking, color, screen tones, photo-based backgrounds, sound effects, and speech balloons. The idea is to keep things practical and honest, so you can see my real workflow and adapt it to your own style. So yeah, let's jump in and get started.